Hello, my name is Gibson, for those who don't know, and I'm here with Stock Talks. This is my first YouTube video ever being made, and I'm going to be explaining to kind of what I'm looking to get out of it and how I'm going to be helping you over the years to come. So to start off, I invest a decent amount of my money that I've made from landscaping over the years. I recently quit landscaping. I'm helping my friend, which I am in right now, is flip a house. So we're completely renovating that as of right now. And I have 3 different accounts that I'm going to be sharing with you along the way and how I make money. The first one, as you know, is on Robinhood through my Instagram. I started with $5,000. I'm already past $10,000 in less than 3 months. That's really crazy. Through Charles Schwab, I put in $4,000, and I'm going to be sharing to you some growth stocks that I'm going to be investing in through Charles Schwab that I'm going to be holding for a year to 2 years to 5 years. Looking for more growth stocks where I'm not going to be selling, just holding and see what happens there. And then my second account, or third account I guess you'd say, is through Webull. And in Webull, I am going to be putting $2,000 in Webull, and I'm going to be investing in dividend stocks. Now, a lot of people that invest in dividend stocks, what they do is they buy a stock that has a good dividend ratio, and they hold it through maybe 5-10 years, and they're getting an annual rate of return of that dividend. That is not what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be buying a stock and buying it before the ex-dividend date and then selling it after the record date. So that's actually a 2-day period where I'm going to be buying a stock, holding it for like 2-3 days, selling it. So I get the dividend, but I'm not holding the stock in case the stock goes down. And I can get a lot more dividends that way. So I'm going to be buying and selling a little bit more constantly, trying to grow my portfolio faster for those of you who are looking to get more money with a lower risk. And we're going to see what happens. I'm going to be investing in all 3 of these and spending my time equally. And we're going to see over the next few months, year, 2 years, 5 years, where my portfolios go and maybe what best form of investing is best for you and what's best for me. So I'm learning here along the way with you guys. I've only been investing for 1 year. That's not too long, but I've been researching the market for, I don't know, probably over 5 years. This is something I'm super passionate about. That's why I'm making these videos. It's not to make money off of it or anything like that. It's more for me to put more time and energy into stocks, and that's something that I really like along with making videos. So here we are. If you're not following my Instagram, please go check it out, Stock Talks. Thank you for everyone that is following and watching. And then I also have a Facebook group I just started if anyone's interested. I'll be posting watch lists along with other things and ideas. And then for YouTube videos, I'm actually going to be posting 3 times a week. So it's going to be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Here's my first videos on Tuesday. So we'll have one Tuesday and then another one on Wednesday. And then we'll have another one on Friday. I might even make 4 for one for Sunday for the stocks that I pick for the next following week. We'll see, but as of right now, it's only going to be 3 stocks or 3 videos a week. And in the comment section down below, please just comment whatever you would like to see next, or DM me, and I will share more content like that because I'm trying to help you out in the long run. This is more for helping you with these videos and Instagram more than helping me, but it's also to see how I can grow my account and which ways best suit me over the long term. So I will be doing that and sharing it for the next few years and see where this happens. Thank you guys. Have a good rest of the day.